Uh-oh, won't unlock. I think I need a new battery. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be replacing the remote's battery on this 2015 BMW i8. Now, the battery that we need is a CR2032. To replace the battery, all you need is a small flathead screwdriver. Now, first thing you need to do is remove the mechanical key or the emergency key. Press the button at the back to release the mechanical key. Now, behind that mechanical key's location, you can pop the back panel by using the flathead screwdriver. Then pull it up, then slide it outward. Make sure that you don't damage this part of the back panel. So here's the battery, CR2032. So slide your flathead again on the back of the battery. Then take it out. Now get your new battery. You will slide in the new battery. Make sure that the positive sign is on top or facing you. So slide it in. And it is locked in position. Now the back panel, make sure that the edge goes in to its location. Now make sure that the edge goes in its location and press it in. Now slide in the mechanical key. And there you go. Make sure it works. Ta-da!
Yes! Yes!
And that is how to replace the remote's battery on this 2015 BMW i8. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's R. Jeff, and thank you for watching.
Wow.